Yo, you ever wonder how stuff moves? Like, why your phone just hits the floor in slow-mo when you drop it? That's kinematics. Kinematics is all about the motion of objects without considering the forces that cause them. It's like the ultimate guide to understanding how things move in our world. So, let's dive deeper into this fascinating topic. Time to break it down real quick. First up, displacement. Basically, where you start versus where you end up. Not the same as distance. You could run in circles and end up where you started, but your displacement is still zero. Displacement is a vector quantity, which means it has both magnitude and direction. Imagine you're playing a game of tag, and you run around the entire playground but you end up at the same spot you started. Your displacement is zero because you didn't change your position overall. Now let's talk about distance. Distance is a scalar quantity, which means it only has magnitude and no direction. It's the total path you cover no matter where you end up. So in that game of tag, the distance you ran around the playground is the total length of your path. Even if you end up where you started, the distance you covered is still significant. This is why distance and displacement are not the same thing. Mind-blowing, right? Now let's move on to speed. Speed is simple, it's how fast you're going, like really fast to the fridge at 3 a.m. for some snacks. Speed's just distance over time, no directions. You're not a GPS, chill. Speed is a scalar quantity, just like distance. It tells you how fast an object is moving, but not the direction in which it's moving. But what about velocity? Velocity is speed with a twist. It's speed with direction. Imagine you're driving to the store at 50 miles per hour. If you say you're going 50 miles per hour to the store, that's speed. But if you say you're going 50 miles per hour north to the store, that's velocity. Velocity is a vector quantity, which means it has both magnitude and direction. It's like speed with a plot twist. So when you're rushing to the fridge at 3 a.m., your speed is how fast you're moving. But your velocity includes the direction you're heading. Now let's talk about acceleration. Acceleration is all about how quickly you change your speed. It's like when you're sliding into those DMs faster or slowing down, like when you stop running to check your TikTok feed. Acceleration can be positive or negative. Positive acceleration means you're speeding up, while negative acceleration, also known as deceleration, means you're slowing down. And those equations? Yeah, they're here to make sure your lazy brain understands exactly how fast you're moving and why you can't run from your problems. Like V equals U plus AT. Don't worry, it's just math flexing. These equations help us calculate various aspects of motion like final velocity, initial velocity, acceleration, and time. They're essential tools in the study of kinematics. Basically, kinematics tells us how stuff moves. It's the science of motion, and it helps us understand everything from the way planets orbit the sun to how a basketball arcs through the air. Now you know why the world's in motion, and you're gonna ace that physics test. Catch you later, speedsters. So, next time you see something moving, whether it's a car, a person, or even a falling phone, you'll know the principles behind its motion. Kinematics is everywhere, and it's a fundamental part of understanding the physical world around us. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep learning. The world of physics is vast and full of wonders. Until next time, stay curious and keep moving forward. Remember, physics isn't just about memorizing equations and concepts, it's about understanding the world we live in and how everything interacts. Kinematics is just the beginning. There's so much more to discover, from dynamics to thermodynamics and beyond. So, keep your eyes open and your mind sharp. The journey of learning never ends. And hey, if you ever get stuck, just remember, every great physicist started somewhere. Even Einstein had to learn the basics before he could revolutionize our understanding of the universe. So don't get discouraged, keep pushing forward, and you'll get there. Physics is a journey, not a destination. V equals U plus AT. Don't worry, it's just math flexing. Basically, kinematics tells us how stuff moves. Now you know why the world's in motion, and you're gonna ace that physics test. Catch you later, speedsters. So, next time you see something moving, whether it's a car, a person, or even a falling phone, you'll know the principles behind its motion. Kinematics is everywhere, and it's a fundamental part of understanding the physical world around us. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep learning. The world of physics is vast and full of wonders. Until next time, stay curious and keep moving forward. Us, how stuff moves. Now you know why the world's in motion, and you're gonna ace that physics test. Catch you later, speedsters.